2025 Toyota Corolla stays true to its legacy of reliability, fuel efficiency, and value, while adding a fresh edge. Available as a sedan, hatchback hybrid, and even a performance GR model, the Corolla lineup covers every kind of driver. Most trims come with a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine making 169 horsepower, paired with a smooth CVT. It's not built for speed, but it delivers consistent power and excellent fuel economy. The hybrid model offers even better mileage, combining a 1.8-liter engine with electric motors for around 138 horsepower and up to 50 miles per gallon on the highway. Toyota also introduced a special FX edition for 2025. Based on the seat trim, it features a lowered ride height, sporty black exterior details, two-tone paint, and a larger 10.5-inch touchscreen inside. It's a stylish upgrade for drivers who want their Corolla to stand out. The GR Corolla, for those chasing performance, packs a 1.6-liter turbocharged 3-cylinder engine with 300 horsepower and available all-wheel drive. It's track-capable and surprisingly aggressive for a car wearing the Corolla badge. Inside, all trims come with modern tech like an 8-inch or 10.5-inch touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, plus Toyota's latest Safety Sense 3.0 system. Features include adaptive cruise control, lane assist, and emergency braking, all standard. The ride is comfortable thanks to the TNGA platform, and handling is composed, especially in trims with multi-link rear suspension. It's a quiet, smooth commuter, but can deliver a bit of fun when pushed. Starting prices hover around the low $20,000 range for base models, with top trims and hybrids moving into the low $30,000. The GR Corolla sits higher, closer to the $40,000 mark, but it offers serious performance for the price. The 2025 Corolla remains one of the most dependable, efficient, and versatile compact cars on the market. Whether you're commuting daily, looking to save on gas, or wanting to add some excitement with the GR, the Corolla continues to deliver.